sandstones and bones on these empty streets that once I called my own.
Kumakain na kasi bala na may lagnat. Aww. Say hi.
Once I was the earth, now I am the sky. Mountains in between us, denying our goodbye. Oh, so see. Oh.
Sa akin mahina pagkasabi mo Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, ma.
Happy Mother's Day. Di pa nalalagay yung kanyang.
Happy Mother's Day.
Ang tawag dyan, Daddy? Di pa nalalagay yung ano niya.
Yung ano tawag dun?
Marmol. Ayun, lapida.
Lapida.
Lapida. Andun pa. Yan sila.
Oh my gosh.
Ang lahat sa mga trip. Sunog na yung mukha ko eh.
Pumunta saan? Sa Boracay.
Boracay.
The view is always
The
giving.
next story from ano?
Mag-beach kami. Kakalagay lang ng kanyang lapida.
Ako na, sasampa na ako. Doon ko na sisindihan. Abot doon.
Situation. Current situation.
Ay.
No. Waiting for the what? Waiting for the what?
Tricycle.
Tricycle. Yes po. Hello. Hello. So makita yung smile. Smile.
Ano na mababit sa akin? Hindi mo naliriyan sa pasang, bra. Come here. Ang lambing naman nito.
For the take picture. Picture taking.
Ito kami internet. Ano lang yan?
Currently, ano to? 6:22. And, ayan yung cottage namin. Ayan si Mama, Wilipano. Ayun. At the moon. Di pa uwi! Lah. Anong masasabi nyo? Lah, interview to. Anong nakita niya sa kalayuan? Kalayuan! Kalayuan! What the freak? Lapu-lapu.
Ayaw.
Anong nakita niyo doon? Wala.
Punta ka doon?
Hindi. Ayaw. Wala na. Parang bukid nalilipad-lipad. Dati ko pa. The current situation. Walang magawa sa tabi ng dagat. Maganda sana may gin tapos. Tapos deep talks. Tapos may bonfire. Ang dumi.
Yan yung mga alamang dagat. Kaya sa pag-illegal fishing sa mga nagsisira nila yung mga coral. Wala yung mga halamang dagat. Yan, nangyayari.
Reporter.
Dinadala. Tabing dagat.
Jellyfish.
Blue jellyfish.
Wala na sa loob niya.
Yan yung gaso niya.
Plastic.
Maliit lang siya.
Parang naano na siya, nasira. Punta ka ilog. Tulong kami. On the way sa ilog, tatlo lang kami.
Uy, wala kang dalang tawel. Yung mga tawel kayo at dahil kayo.
Hiram ka na lang. With heart evangeline.
Heart Evangeline.
And ate, what if tumingin? Tenenenen. The view.
Tapos ang gulo pa ng buko, tila ko. Alam ko, alis lokal eh.
Sim, lokal ako dito.
What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with the compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart?
Please. Tingin kayo dito. Takapit.
Sleeping on your
So
bedroom
clear.
floor.
Hindi ko katapat alam ko.
Oo nga, no, init.
Walang crocodile.
Let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projected, I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with the compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart?
Malalim na. Ayun.
I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. Now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens What happens if I lose my way with the compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark?
It's blurred. Blurred. Cinematic.
Tinitigan ko. Ang putla ko naman. Tinitigan ko.
Pauwi na. Ang cute noon. Ano yun, no? Tricycle. Kaya sabi mo sa ilog experience. Oh, wait, tagipipi.
Uy, Oli.
Weh.
It's 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. Bakit nawala yung dalawang?
It's warm. I don't like warm water.
Ah, okay. So we're here at SM. We got it all fire. SM Butuan. Florida.
Oh, itong Florida mango.
So big. Evil eye. Go anak.
Go, ano?
Anak.
Ala, anak, balik ka. Naglag ka ba?
Busog ka kasi doon, hindi ka pantay.
Galawin mo.
They want cinnamoroll. Sino yan? Cinnamoroll.
Ganun mo. Ay, hindi siya.
Udol.
Fair na ka nagmumuli.
Mas meron? Ito, budol talaga ito.
Uy mo.
Sobrang liit. Ano power mo?
Balloon. Isa kayo.
Ikot ka lang. Ikot. Ay!
Madaming beads. Ay, my God.
Ala, bear no.
Tira tayo.
Ah, me want to.
Sa unang itip ka rin niya.
Isa na.
Sino una? Bawal sa iba muna. Sa taas.
Baba.
Let the mama first. Okay. Mama, going to bag mom, please.
Ay, ito may ukrat.
Video lang. Sasama ko sa ano.
Been to California, never been to LA. So I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married.
Yung kimchi. Nanghang no? Kasi ano?
Ano yung bilog?
Peanut brittle?
Yung bilog na ganito din.
Peanut brittle.
Peanut brittle sa Tagalog.
Peanut brittle.
Pinapasalubong sa
Hindi ko alam sa
Mindoro.
Tagalog eh. Panutsa? Ay parang
Yung
panutsa.
panatsa. Ah, panatsa.
Seryoso eh.
Settling down, so I'll lay here, watch the ceiling fan.
Hindi masyado ng kami na may harapan.
Big emergency to fly Philippine Airlines out of the Filipino. Overboard.
Always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. It kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily a family can drift apart. I'm finally getting married to an angel in human form, but I still think about Nashville. We're staying here, the right call, and it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow.